Welcome to Chem 1406. I'm Dr. McFadden. I'm your instructor this semester. This orientation video is going to go over the syllabus for the course as well as the course organizer calendar. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to open up the syllabus first. You can find the link for that on the left-hand side. It's labeled ICR syllabus. If you click on that and click on this PDF document, it will open it up. The first page is my contact information. It lists a phone number, but that's an on-campus phone number, and since I will be working from home this semester, that is not going to be very helpful. The best way to get a hold of me is by email. So there's my email address right there. You can email me anytime with any questions you have over content or just what to do, how to get started on something. And I'm usually pretty quick about responding to emails. I also have virtual office hours on Wednesday evening from 8 to 8:30, and that will be through Microsoft Teams. There will be more information on how you can access that through an announcement. Okay, so let's make this a little bit bigger and then look down. Page 2 of the syllabus is really about the college policies. Read through all of that. At the bottom of that page, it lists the textbooks that we're going to be using. Our main text is Chemistry: An Introduction to General Organic and Biological Chemistry by Karen Timberlake. If you buy a new textbook from the bookstore, it will come bundled with an access code for Modified Mastering Chemistry. And Mastering Chemistry is the online homework system that we are going to be using. You'll need an access code for that. If you are not buying a new textbook, then you can buy that access code separately. And there's instructions in Blackboard on how to do that. The lab manual that we're going to be using this semester is through a website called LabFlow. It is going to be where we complete all of our online labs for this semester, and instructions for registering for that are in Blackboard as well. Okay, next page, it talks a little bit about Proctorio. Proctorio is the system that we are using for online proctoring of quizzes and exams. Instructions for how to load that up on your computer are found in Blackboard as well. Going down to the next page, this is how you will be graded for this class. So it's important to look through all of that to understand where your grades are coming from, how they are weighted, and I will be dropping the lowest grade of some of those categories just because I know that sometimes life happens and you aren't able to finish something during the week, and so this is one way to account for that. So read through all of that important information, and that pretty much sums up the syllabus. So make sure you read that on your own and understand it. If you have questions, let me know. If we go back to our orientation lesson, the next thing on our lesson is to look at the course organizer calendar, and that's found under the syllabus link on the left-hand side. This document is an Excel document. If you have access to a printer, it would be a good idea to print this document out. This lists out all of the assignments and the labs for the whole semester. And so you can use it as a checklist to make sure that you've done everything you need to do for that week. So they're listed out by weeks. This is week of August 24th. This week, you're doing an orientation lesson, which you're in the middle of. And you're also going to be doing a chemistry and measurements lesson, and that covers material from chapter 2. Your assignments are orientation quiz, a discussion board post where you're going to be introducing yourself to your classmates. And then you have 2 mastering chemistry assignments. One is an introduction just to get used to how the program works. And then the second one is over chapter 2 material. All of those are due on Monday, August 31st. At 11 p.m. Generally, all of your assignments are going to be due on the Monday following the week of your assignments. This also lists out the labs that you're going to be doing. And this first week, we're going to be in Lab Flow doing the lab safety videos and quiz. So there'll be several videos that you need to watch and quizzes over the material, or a quiz over the material that is found in the videos. And your labs are going to be due on the Friday of that week. So this first lab is due Friday, August 28th at 11 p.m. If you'll notice next week you are doing a lesson over matter and energy on chapter 3 material. You have a mastering chemistry homework assignment as well as a quiz over chapters 2 and 3. Those assignments are due on Tuesday, not Monday, because Monday is a Labor Day holiday. And then the lab is still due on Friday. So just be aware of those due dates and use this as a checklist to make sure you're getting all your assignments done. Okay, going back to our orientation lesson. Okay, some other things that are found on this lesson are registration instructions for Lab Flow. And so you can click on this document and it'll walk you through how to register for this website for how we're going to do our labs. There's no additional cost this semester for you for using Lab Flow. When you're enrolling, you'll need to search for the campus name. And so this course is through the Connect campus. So make sure you are aware of that when you are registering for it. There is also a file that has registration instructions for mastering chemistry. If you have an access code, you can enter that in. If you haven't purchased your textbook yet, if you're waiting for financial aid or just haven't gotten around to purchasing it yet, you can sign up for a 14-day free trial, after which once you get your access code, you can just plug that in and it'll convert it to a regular account. So those are some of the just kind of housekeeping stuff that you need to be aware of for this course. If you have any questions over any of this, please email me. I am here to help you, and I am looking forward to having a great semester.